A lengthy contract dispute between healthcare workers and Mayo Clinic was taken to the streets of downtown Rochester earlier today. The Services Employees International Union, or SEIU, held a rally this afternoon demanding for more fair contracts for St. Mary's healthcare employees. The contract between roughly 1,600 workers and the hospital ended on April 22nd of this year. Both sides are temporarily agreeing to continue the agreement, but the union is asking for better pay. KIMT News 3's Brandon Cote spoke with union leaders about what changes they want to see from Mayo.
Mayo Clinic healthcare employees are rallying against the hospital. They're all demanding for better pay and working conditions. Close to 100 protesters marched in front of St. Mary's Tuesday afternoon.
Mayo is the #1 hospital in the country, and they need to pay their workers like they are.
Members from the Service Employees International Union say contract negotiations with Mayo Clinic since February are going painfully slow.
Our priorities are take care of our workers and take care of patients, so we don't really feel like there should be that much to disagree on.
3.5% is the salary increase Mayo is proposing for the first year of a 3-year contract proposal for its workers.
And that is just so vastly below where we need to be.
Then a 1.5% increase for the next 2 years.
This is a really, really hard job, and people put their lives on the line, they put their families on the line, and for Mayo to come back with 3.5, 1.5, 1.5 is just, it's really hard to see.
Most workers at Mayo's Methodist Hospital received a 6% bump 2 months ago.
It does nothing to address the fact that many of our groups are below market right now.
While tenured employee salaries increased by 11%.
Mayo's proposals have been insultingly low.
Union members are now voting on whether to go on strike or not.
Having that in our back pocket puts an immense amount of pressure and allows us to be able to push for things that we wouldn't otherwise be able to push for.
SEIU and the hospital will meet at the negotiating table again this Thursday. In Rochester, Brandon Cote, KIMT News 3.
Voting for the strike will continue tomorrow throughout the whole day. SEIU says it will tally up the votes tomorrow night. Mayo Clinic shared a statement with us in response to this rally this afternoon. It says the hospital continues to have productive negotiating sessions with the union. Mayo goes on to say public announcement and activities such as the informational picket are normal in contract negotiations. The hospital says it remains committed to reaching a mutually beneficial agreement and will continue to negotiate in good faith.